Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best adjustable DC power supply. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. An adjustable DC power supply is an essential tool for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It provides a stable and customizable source of direct current, DC, voltage, allowing users to precisely control voltage and current output. This versatility makes it ideal for testing and powering electronic circuits, from simple projects to complex devices. Whether you're working on prototypes, performing repairs, or conducting experiments, an adjustable DC power supply ensures that your components receive the right amount of power, protecting them from damage while ensuring optimal performance. Number 5. Nice Power Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Nice Power Adjustable DC Power Supply is a versatile and reliable tool, ideal for hobbyists, engineers, and technicians working on various electronics projects. With an output power range of 201-300 W, it provides ample power to handle a wide array of tasks, from small circuit tests to more demanding applications. It supports an adjustable output current from 0 to 10A, making it flexible enough to suit different power needs. The adjustable voltage regulator allows for precise voltage control, up to 30 V for standard tasks, and up to 200 V or 300 V for high voltage applications. Certified by C and Rose, this power supply meets international safety and environmental standards, ensuring quality and reliability. It's equipped with a voltage and current regulator, which helps protect sensitive devices from power surges or overcurrents. The unit operates at both 50 Hz and 60 Hz, making it compatible with different power grids, and it's designed for customization, so you can tailor it to specific needs. What makes the Nice Power supply stand out is its versatility. It works perfectly for laboratory settings, as well as more casual D projects, and its programmable features make it easy to fine-tune the output for different devices, such as phones or other electronics. Whether you need a current stabilizer or power control device, this model offers reliable performance, efficiency, and safety. Number 4. DIAIARY Adjustable DC Power Supply. The DIAIARY Adjustable DC Power Supply is an excellent choice for anyone working with electronics, from beginners to seasoned professionals. This power supply is designed for precision and reliability, allowing users to adjust both voltage and current to meet the specific needs of their projects. With a wide voltage and current range, it's perfect for tasks like powering small electronic devices, troubleshooting circuits, or running experiments in a lab setting. One of the standout features of the DIAIARY power supply is its easy-to-use interface. The digital display clearly shows the voltage and current, enabling precise adjustments and real-time monitoring. It also includes essential safety features such as overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and thermal protection, which help safeguard both the device and connected equipment from damage. Another notable aspect is the durable build quality, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Its compact design makes it a good fit for any workspace, whether on a professional lab bench or hobbyist work table. This power supply is also relatively quiet during operation, making it more comfortable to use over long periods. Number 3. Wanptek WPS3010H Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Wanptek WPS3010H Adjustable DC Power Supply is a robust and high-performing tool for both professional and hobbyist use, offering up to 300 W of output power and a current range of 0 to 10A. This makes it versatile enough for various applications, from powering small electronics to performing detailed experiments in laboratory settings. Its precision control over both voltage and current makes it ideal for tasks requiring fine-tuning and safety. One of the highlights of this model is its sturdy build, featuring gold-plated metal components and a metal anodizing finish. This ensures not only durability but also efficient heat dissipation and longevity, even with continuous use. The Unit C certification adds to its credibility, ensuring that it meets international safety standards. The Wanptek WPS3010H is also known for its simplicity and ease of use. The clear digital display allows for accurate real-time monitoring of output voltage and current, making it perfect for projects that require precision. It operates at both 50 Hz and 60 Hz, allowing flexibility in different regions with varying power grid frequencies. Number 2. Wanptek TPS305 Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Wanptek TPS305 Adjustable DC Power Supply is a reliable and versatile tool designed for those in need of precision power control, whether for professional lab work or hobbyist projects. With an output power range of 201-300 W and an adjustable current range from 0 to 10A, it offers flexibility for a wide variety of electronic applications. Its compact design makes it ideal for both bench work and more portable settings, while its ability to operate at both 110 V and 220 V makes it compatible with different power grids. One of the key features of the TPS305 is its 4-digit display, allowing for accurate and clear readings of both voltage and current. This precision is especially useful for tasks that require close monitoring of power output. It also includes an encoder adjustment system, making it easy to fine-tune the output with smooth incremental adjustments. Additionally, the USB-A and Type-C ports offer convenient charging options for various devices, a great bonus feature for those who need to power or test USB-compatible gadgets. Safety is a priority in the TPS-305, with its short-circuit alarm ensuring protection for both the power supply and any connected devices. The power supply is CNFCC certified, offering peace of mind with international safety standards. Number 1. Wanptek EPS3010U Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Wanptek EPS3010U Adjustable DC Power Supply is a highly reliable and user-friendly tool, ideal for those needing precise power control for various applications. Offering up to 10 A of output current, it's versatile enough for powering a wide range of electronic devices and projects, from circuit prototyping to component testing. The power supply's adjustable voltage makes it ideal for both professionals and DE enthusiasts who require flexibility and accuracy in their power source. With its 50Hz 60Hz frequency compatibility, the DPS3010U works well in different regions and is equipped with C and FCC certifications, ensuring safety and compliance with international standards. The unit's single output type delivers stable and consistent power, making it dependable for long-term use in both lab and workshop environments. Though the device does not offer customization, its straightforward interface is easy to navigate, with clear displays for voltage and current adjustments. The digital readout provides real-time monitoring, allowing users to make precise adjustments to their settings. Additionally, the overcurrent protection ensures that connected devices are safe from power surges or overloads, enhancing the longevity of both the power supply and the electronics it powers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.